Good morning, student. This is lines and angle. Angle, the inclination between two rays having common initial point is called an angle. This is initial point or starting point. So AB and AC are two rays. Here I have written types of angle. Please cut this point. Okay. On the basis of angle, we have acute angle, that is less than 90, right angle, it's mean exact 90, obtuse means greater than 90, straight means 180 degree, reflex means more than 180, complete means 360 degree angle, and the 0 degree angle means 0. Okay. Also we have complementary angle. When the sum of two angle is 90 degree, then it is known as a complementary angle. When the sum of two angle is 180 degree, then it is known as a supplementary angle. This is 103, it's been greater than 90, that's why this is obtuse. Less than 90, that's why acute. More than 180 degree, that's why it is reflex. Less than 90 degree, that's why it is acute. An angle is 30 degree larger means plus. So let x is that angle. So 30 degree larger than straight angle means 180 degree, that's why answer is 210. Here is a clock, the time is 10 to 12. So between 10 to 12 it is creating a acute angle and the remaining is reflex angle. So now to find the degree for each hour, because we have 12 hours, that's why we divide it with 12. Fine. Between 10 to 12 it is 2 hours, so that's why 32 is a 60. 30 degree for 1. So because we have 2 hours, so 60 degree. For remaining 10 hour it is 360, or you can find complete angle 360 minus this 60, so answer is 300. Degrees, so 16 into right angle means 90, that's why answer is 15 degree. 2 right angle, 2 multiply right angle. Fine. Similarly this complementary means you have to subtract from the 90 degree, you will get its complementary angle. 3 by 5 of right angle. So first of all you have to solve the situation, then subtract from 90 degree, you will get your required answer. Similarly, if you have two number, always put in one bracket. So after this multiply with this with the sign of minus, you get your required answer. Here this 89 degree 60 minute, because 90 degree can be written as 89 plus 1 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So please do the correction in your copy. Here by mistake I have sent you the pic with 1 minute. So please write it as 60 minute. 60 minute again break into 59 minute 60 second. Fine. So now we have to subtract. Simple subtraction. So because we cannot subtract minute and second from degree, so that's why we have to break our degree. Fine. If x and this are complements or complement of each other, complement means subtract from 90, so it's mean if this is x, so complement of this means 90 minus this. Whenever you have complement, it's mean it is complementary angle, it's mean you have to subtract from 90. Multiply with the sign of minus. If it is minus, in that side this will plus. If this is multiply, it will divide. Fine. Two complementary angle are in this ratio. So you have two method to solve this. Either you can use sum of ratios, sum number divided by sum into angle. Complementary angle means 90 degree. Fine. Secondly, you can assume as 4x plus 5x is equal to 90 degree, because this is complementary angle. So you get the value of x, put the value of x. So 4x means 4 into 10 40, 5x means 5 into 10 50. 80% of an angle, 80% of an angle is means equal to supplement of 140. Supplement means subtract from 180. Of changes to multiply, solve. This will 8 by 10 will reciprocal here, so you get your required answer. The measure of an angle is 20 degree more than its complement. So find the angle. Measure of the angle is 20 degree. 20 degree is more. More means plus. For whom more? Complement of the angle. So complement of x will be 90 minus x. Fine. So solve it, you get the required answer. Find an angle which is 2/3 of its complement. Find the angle which is means equal to 2/3 of its means into 90 minus x, its complement will be 90 minus x. Cross multiply 3x and this 2 multiply with the 90 and x. So you solve the question. Two supplementary angle are in the ratio of 7:8. Same procedure, 7 sum of ratios, 7 divided by sum into, because this is supplementary, multiply with 180. So you get the answer. Find an angle which is 1/5 of its supplement. Find an angle is x, which is means equal to 1/5 means 1/5 of its means x. Supplement of x will be 180 minus x. Cross multiply, you get the required answer. Next is, in the given figure, always draw the figure with the pencil. Fine. In the given figure, AOB is a straight line. Find the measure of AOC. So this is a straight line. So these are forming linear pair. If this is 45, we should know that the sum of linear pair is 180 degree. So if this 45, this should be 180 minus 45. Similarly, in next question again you have a straight line, not linear pair. Pair is always two angle. Fine. So straight line, straight angle will be 180 degrees. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 parts of this straight angle, but the sum always should be 180 degree. So 60 plus 15 plus x plus 1 plus 40 is equal to 180. So we get the value of x by subtracting. Here again we have linear pair. Don't think about this triangle. Here is a linear pair. So x plus 115 is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 minus 115. Again this is linear pair. Linear pair means always a straight line and a straight line over it. So the two angle, it can be in any direction, no problem. Fine. Again this is linear pair. So you get the value of y by subtracting 135 from 180 degree. This is complete angle. So we know that the sum of complete angle is 360 degrees. So that's why we add all. We get the value of x. Put the value of x. 2x means 2 multiply. 3x means 3 multiply. Here also we have complete angle. It means sum of all this should be 360 degree. We get the value of x. Put the value x and get the answer. Vertically, here we have vertically opposite. If this is 40, this should be 40. And if you see like this, then you get a linear pair. It means if this is 40, it means this is linear pair. It means this should be 180 minus 40, you get 140. And this is vertically opposite to this. It means this is also 140 degree. Fine. I will send the PDF this page next day. So just understand. Perpendicular line, when two lines meet at a point and create, this is a symbol for 90 degree, create a 90 degree, then these are known as perpendicular. But suppose if they meet at a midpoint, if they meet at midpoint, then it means this is equal parts. So then these are known as a perpendicular bisector. Parallel line, if two lines never meet at any point, means they are going but they never meet at any point, then they are known as a parallel line. Find here some more angles. So these L and M is parallel and this is the symbol for parallel. This is called a transversal. It means it intersect L and M at various points. So we get this angle. Fine. Now here are lots of angle. If two lines are parallel, then 1 is equal to 3, 2 is equal to 4, 5 is equal to 7, 6 is equal to 8, because these are all vertically opposite angle. 1 is equal to 5, these are called as corresponding angle. Upper with upper, lower with lower, upper with upper, lower with lower. These are known as corresponding angle. And if 1 is equal to 6, 1 is equal to 6, sorry, 4 is equal to 6 and 3 is equal to 5. These are known as alternate interior angle, and alternate interior angle forms a shape of Z. Forms a shape of Z. 4 is equal to 6, 3 is equal to 5. Similarly, 1 is equal to 7, 2 is equal to 8 is known as alternate exterior. Exterior, these are exterior angle and these are all interior angle. Fine. Also, angle 4 plus angle 5, if we add these two angles, we get sum as 180 degrees. Similarly, angle 3 plus angle 6, if we add these angles, then we always get 180 degree. Fine. Also, angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree, but the reason should be linear pair. These are linear pair, linear pair, linear pair, linear. These are all linear pair. Fine. Thank you. Have a nice day. But watch the videos carefully and try to give a comment over here so I can understand that you are watching. Thank you. Have a nice day.